Writford, Matters, your case management hub. Matters is the digital file for every case your firm runs. Open it from the sidebar, and your whole caseload is here as cards, each one showing the client, the reference, the area of law, and the files and chats on the file. Switch between your own matters and ones shared with you. Search by name, client, or reference, filter by status, change the layout, or import existing matters straight in. Let's open a new file. Click New Matter, give it a name, a client, and a reference. Choose from 24 UK practice areas and click Create. And we're taken straight into the matter. Every matter is one workspace, 10 tabs across the top, and a single button on the right that changes to fit each one. It opens on the overview. We'll come back to that. Let's build the matter up, tab by tab. First, the documents. On the Files tab, click Upload to add files or a whole folder, or create a new folder to organize them. You can also drag a folder tree straight in or import from OneDrive. Click a file to read or edit it right in the browser, and from its three-dot menu, rename it, move it, send it straight to the AI, or delete it. And anything you delete is recoverable for 30 days. Now the money. On the Time tab, click New Entry, describe the work, set the minutes and the activity type, mark it billable, and save. It's valued at the matter's hourly rate. On the Cost tab, click Add Cost to record a disbursement. Say a court fee, the description, the date, the type, hard for no VAT, the amount, and the supplier, then save. Your time and disbursements now add up into the matter's financial picture, ready to bill accurately. On the Tasks tab, add a task, give it a title, set its priority, and a due date. As the work moves on, drag it from To Do into In Progress, and finally into Done. And the counters at the top keep score. On the Dates tab, add your key dates, a limitation date, a filing deadline, a hearing, each with a label and a date. Tick one off when it's done, and any that slip past turn red as overdue, with the next 3 mirrored back onto the overview. On the Notes tab, click Add Note, choose the type. A telephone attendance, an email, a research memo, an instruction, write it up and save. It's time-stamped and color-coded, building a proper file note trail. On the Conflicts tab, add each party to the matter, their name, whether they're an individual or a company, and their role. Then run a firm-wide search to check for any conflict before you act. The Chats tab gathers every AI conversation you've filed to this matter. Open them, unlink them, or start a new matter chat. So the research and drafting done on the case stays attached to the case. Now back to the overview, and you can see it has pulled everything together. The work in progress and outstanding figures, the next deadlines, the files on record, and the other side. The whole matter at a glance. Finally, Settings. Click any detail to edit it in place or set a bespoke hourly rate for the matter. Move it through its life cycle, active, on hold, archived, or close it with a date and outcome on record. Share it with a colleague by email. They accept, and it appears in their shared matters. And when a file is finished with, the danger zone deletes it, but only after it spells out exactly what you'll lose and a 10-second countdown. That's Matters. One workspace where the whole case comes together. Next, we'll look at clients. Writford, AI tailored for law. Get started at writford.co.uk.